I'm Beatrix. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I would like to share what I learned during my time working on the Prototype Challenge that was created by Protopie, which is a high-fidelity prototype software for designers. So, to let you know, prototype here means how to create interaction between one screen to another. For example, I want to create animation from one desktop or app to another app. This is an illustration of what the prototype looks like. I want to create an animation of the logo that pops up when you first time open the app. This is called splash screen. My idea was to create an interesting animation so people won't get bored every time they open the app. So here comes prototyping skills, which is important for designers, especially UX designer, because we don't want people just to see the static of the website, which is kinda boring. So without further ado, let's get started! So before we dive into the software itself, I would like to show you what kind of challenge that they gave me. Protopie provided us daily challenges and the topic was e-commerce. So from day one, if you can see, they want us to create launch screen. It's like a splash screen to show the logo of the app. And then day 2 is onboarding. So it's like choose your interest if you want to personalize your interest. For example, I just want to see kitchen stuff. I just want to see automotive stuff. Day 3 is permission. Basically, the app asking permission to the user if they can access the data of the users. And then day 4 is home screen. Home screen is the first screen that we will see every time we open the app usually. And then day 5 is more product page, is more specific toward the product. Day 6 is promotion pop-up, if they have like discount or maybe another like sales. Day 7 is add to cart. So basically this is step before doing checkout. And then day 8 is checkout, which means to pay. Day 9 is rating app. So rate this app. After you using the app, usually the app asking to rate the app. And then the last one is mockup, is to connect all of the screens from day 1 to day 9. So I chose to design mobile app since I wanted to learn more mobile design. And I always kept posted on my Twitter to help me keeping on track, and it encouraged me to keep consistent doing the daily challenge. So here I have my Protopie installed on my PC. And I have done all the challenges that they gave me, and this is what it looks like for each screen. So I have 134 screens shown in here. But I wasn't selected as a winner because there were more people that have more prototyping skills than me. So here we go. I created 100 plus screens just to create an animation for each daily challenge. So if you see here, if I play this prototype, I play this screen. So let me show you the preview. Okay, here we go. It looks like, oh, see, it moved. So basically, I play around with the animation. I work with many kinds of features that they provide. My idea was to build an e-commerce app that sells mostly daily products such as milk, eggs, and people can buy other stuff based on categories that I added on the onboarding screen, which is like to personalize the interest. It was funny that I only got 1 hour a day to create this, but I ended up working on this for 3 until 5 hours for each daily challenge. From this challenge, I learned something. First, focus on the objective or goal we are trying to solve. I focused too much on the UI stuff instead of focusing on the goal that I'm going to solve. This is not gonna work if you are working on challenges like this. Second, ask the questions to the organizer what we are supposed to do. In the prompt that they provided to us, it wasn't clear enough that they wanted us to use any trigger or any sort of features that we need to use. Third, try new features that they provided. I haven't tried a lot of features that they provided until my free trial ended. Luckily, they will have free account soon. That's why I'm thinking to explore more in the future. Next, use the short time that we have to create simple app instead of complicated one. Daily challenge is hard, and I agree. Sometimes we cannot come up with the ideas in one day, so that's why I became a procrastinator because I wasn't sure how I was going to do. Then next, get the resources and learn from it. I wasted my time figuring out the software without even watching the YouTube tutorial that they provided. Then the next one is software bug can occur anytime you open the app. The problem that I faced was the software bug. Sometimes the software was freeze for some reason, and I needed to restart again and again. That's why we should be more patient in finishing the challenge. Things can happen out of our expectation. I have no preference which one is good for prototyping and which one is not. For me, both have their downside. For easy prototyping, I love using Figma because I love the interface and it's not laggy. While Protopie can do much more in terms of prototyping features, we can even custom the condition statement to do the prototype. Even though they have more features to create more smooth animation, Protopie can sometimes laggy when I try to play the screens. Challenge is sort of hard, especially if you have to deal with other stuff such as work, school, etc. So if you can tackle the challenge, it means you are a winner. You don't have to be a winner in the challenge as long as you earn experience to work in fast-paced environment. So if you are a UX designer or motion designer, that would be great to learn Protopie as a prototyping tool for you. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!